Niliambiwa mtoto amepotea on 20th, but venye nimekuja shule we discovered that mtoto alipotea date 14 of this month. So it was not actually the same 20th they had told us. Mtoto disappear on 14th. Yeah, with no trace. The school is not explaining where the child is. So we have been there since yesterday. They are not telling us anything.
Kwa kuripoti kwa police station, sisi ndo wa kwanza kuja kuripoti. Hawaja report kuwa mtoto hayupo. Hata sio wenyewe tujakuwa informed wazazi wake kuwa mtoto hayupo. Which is yani ina heartbreak sana.
It's unfortunate that such a school cannot be able to explain wanafunzi ama mwanafunzi kama Austin amepotea akienda wapi. From there, from the school, when we did not get answers, we came to the police station, which is Matutu police station. We talked to the OCS, we talked to other officers.